Share free H35 to 581 V2.0 HCIP-5G RNP&RNO version 2.0 exam questions for preparation. 1. Which of the following NOS messages will carry QFI parameters? A. Registration request. B. Registration accept. C. PDU session establishment request. D. PDU session establishment HCIP-5G. Answer. D. 2. Regarding 5G wireless coverage planning, which of the following statements is incorrect? A. In general scenarios, 5G coverage is limited by the uplink service channel. B. In low-frequency scenarios, there is generally no need to consider the impact of rain and snowfall. C. The higher the edge continuity rate required by the planning, the larger the cell coverage radius will be. D. Under normal circumstances, the shadow fading margin in dense urban areas is greater than the shadow fading margin in rural areas. Answer. C. 3. Which changes in 5G have the greatest impact on operation and maintenance? A. Network cloudification. B. Network slicing. CSDN. D. Microservices. Answer. A, B, C, D. 4. Which of the following are GBR parameters of 5G? A. GFBR. B. Session AMBR. CMFBR. D. UEAMBR. Answer. AC. 5. Which of the following are the differences between 5G TDD and FDD in the link budget process? A. FDD uses different propagation models. B. Low-frequency FDD networks need to reserve higher interference margins. C. FDD usually does not consider massive MIMO shaping gain. D. FDD needs to consider antenna feeder loss. Answer. B, C. 6. Which of the following descriptions of the downlink scheduling process are correct? A. The MCS calculation during the scheduling process requires CQ reporting. B. Downlink scheduling requires the terminal to initiate a request. C. When the network PRB utilization rate is high, it is recommended to enable the interference randomization feature to reduce interference. D. GNB determines whether to perform retransmission scheduling based on the UE's HARQ feedback information. Answer. ACD. 7. In the early stages of 5G network construction, what are the following main goals for wireless network optimization? A. PRB utilization optimization. B. Switching performance optimization. C. Optimize wireless coverage. D. Throughput optimization. Answer. B, C, D. 8. What factors need to be considered when estimating the capacity of a 5G cell? A. Cell bandwidth. B. Terminal type. C. Maximum number of massive MIMO multiplexing layers. D. Distribution of terminals. Answer. A, C, D. 9. What functions can edge cloud computing achieve on 5G networks? A. Wireless network do function. B. Without network CU function. C. Core network functions. D. Business application functions. Answer: B, C, D. 10. Which of the following are the architectural features of 5G core network? A. Fully integrated cloud network. B. Service-oriented architecture. C. Distributed architecture. D. End-to-end network slicing. Answer: A, B, C, D.